everyone, Live Good Morning. So, ngayon nandito na naman tayo sa ating Live Good Opportunity presentation. I'm so excited na i-share sa inyo yan ang napakagandang opportunity na right now pinagkakaguluhan hindi lang ng dito sa Pilipinas kundi ng buong mundo sa industriya, right, ng direct selling. Alright? And gusto ko lang syempre pasalamatan kayo na nandito. Ayan, at nakatunghay sa ating presentation. Alright? And make it sure na patapusin mo ito. And sigurado akong meron kang value na makakuha dito. Alright? And kung naghanap ka ng opportunity, especially by 2024, your ka magkaroon ng break, right? Makatulong sa iyo financially na pwede mong gawin part-time or full-time. And so, tingnan mo to, and patapusin mo to. And I'm sure, baka natin alam, baka ito na yung opportunity na, alright? So, ngayon, again, thank you so much, alright? And simulan na po natin ating presentation, but before that, syempre, magpapakilala muna tayo. Ayan, alright. Sino ba yung cute na nagsasalita sa inyong harapan ngayon? Di ba? Ayan, so, anyway, so hello sa inyong lahat. I'm Coach Martel Lagasdas, 22 years of age, and I'm a Live Good Pillar. And actually, lahat po tayo ay nasa pillar, no? Ibig sabihin, nasa stage tayo within first 2 years po ng company. Yan. And I'm also a professional network marketer. So, I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin. So, kumbaga sa sa pagpili din ng magandang company. So, at least meron na tayong idea kung paano. And nakita natin itong opportunity na i-share ko sa inyo is pasok, di ba? Pasok sa ating hinahanap. Alright? Ayan. And isa din tayo sa DNW Youngest Speakers Bureau. Alright? And blessed na naging part sa team na yan na makapag-share and makapag-inspire na maraming tao. Alright? And full-time na po tayo dito sa company ito. And I'm the founder of Zeal Empire and currently platinum rank and very soon, right? By the next year, all right? first month next year. Okay, so mahita po natin ang ating next rank, which is diamond. But this presentation is not all about me. It's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-achieve, through the help of this amazing opportunity. All right? So ngayon, proceed muna tayo, no? Yan, welcome. Welcome to this amazing company called Live Good. Alright? So, ito po yung company na sinasabi ko sa inyo na right now, pinagkakaguluhan ng buong industry. Alright? So, kung bakit, later on, madidiscover nyo rin. Okay? So, to set the right expectation then, so disclaimer po muna tayo. Okay? The information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. And I myself, hindi rin po ako financial advisor, right? And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So, wala po tayong tinitrade or ni-invest dito na cryptocurrency. Okay? Ayan. So, take note then that Live Good is not an investment company. Kung naghanap ka po ng investment company, well, you're in the wrong presentation kasi business opportunity po ang pinapakinggan nyo ngayon. Alright? And it is illegal for a promoter or participant in a program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. So, wala tayong pinapromise dito in this short period of time, kikita ka na yung ganito, ganyan, ito kalaki. Okay? Kasi again, yung result po natin dito is magdedepende po sa time and effort na ilalaan natin dito. Alright? Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So, meron akong ipapakita sa inyo mamaya na mga proof na kahit paano, meron mga kumikita. But that does not mean na pag ginawa to na within the period of
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay? Yeah, so you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. In short, mag-research ka. Kung nagdududa ka, natatakot ka pa, na baka ma-scam ka, mabudol, or whatsoever, so maganda, mag-research ka na rin. Okay? But, take note na dapat, syempre, credible yung mga sources or yung site na, papupuntahan mo. Okay? Nang sa ganon, syempre, malaman mo talaga yung tama. Okay? But syempre, since dito ka na, tapusin mo na lang to para malaman mo mismo sa amin na nandito na kung ano ba talaga si Live Good. Alright? Sino ba talaga ito? Okay? So, let's proceed, no? Ayan, before tayo mag-proceed sa presentation proper, so meron muna akong ipapapanood sa inyo na short video about Live Good. Who is Live Good? Why Live Good? And bakit pinagkakaguluhan to? Ito yung short video na talagang nagpamulat ng maraming tao. Okay? And yan, panoorin muna natin to before tayo mag-proceed. Ayan, so nagsasalita po dito ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Okay, so let's watch this short video.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy, with inflation higher than ever, bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves, aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, see you all at the top, no? So, at least ngayon meron kayong konting idea kung sino at kung ano ba si Live Good. Okay, so syempre, mas ipapaliwanag pa natin yung sinabi ng ating CEO sa ating presentation ngayon. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright? So, who is Live Good? Ayan, Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. So, kaka 1 year lang po natin, guys, this month. Woohoo, di ba? So, yan, Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, the wellness and digital service industry. So, itong industry na hindi talaga natin mapipigilan yung growth, no? So, it is not a fad and it's not a trend, okay? Kasi, ano yan, kumbaga, mag-exist talaga yan. Amin natin sa hindi, okay, continuous yan na mag-exist. Okay, wellness natin, health is wealth, and of course, the digitalization. Okay, so halos lahat ngayon online na, no? And continuous yung innovate, okay? Ayan. So ang fulfillment center po natin ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Okay? So Live Good is a club membership that pays. Yan. So para aware ka na. Okay? So club membership po ito. Okay? Na binibigyan ka po ng dividend or share. Okay? Kasi maraming mga club membership out there, enjoy mo naman yung benefits pero hindi ka kumikita. Alright? Walang kahit ni sentimo walang binibigay or binabalik. Okay? But dito, you can earn money as a club member whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes, you heard it right. Okay? So before ka mag-react, parang too good to be true, no? Okay? Pero later on, meron tayong explanation about that. Okay? Kaya tapusin mo ito nang sa ganon, malaman mo kung paano. Okay? So, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. Well, maraming mga companies out there na nagsisitaasan na presyo ng mga products. Okay? Kasi nga, lalo na ngayon, inflation and yung, marami na, nagsitaasan din yung prices and of course, the raw materials. Diba? And maraming factor, no? So, kailangan talaga gawin. Okay? Pero dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Literal. Okay? So, later on, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin nagagawa. Alright? So, if you have a passion for health and wellness, it is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Okay? So, tune in ka lang. Okay? Don't tune out. Ayan. So, ngayon, Live Good is not any other MLM Jurassic or mga gigantic na mga companies. Okay? Ayan, na nasa direct sales, no? Okay, kasi meron kasing mga traditional na mga MLM, okay, na merong ganito. Okay? So mostly, yan, number one, merong tinatawag na product package. Right? So una pa lang is, yan, nabentahan ka na. Ayan, di ba? So wherein mostly sa mga product package na yan, okay, overpriced yung mga products. Okay, I'm not saying na hindi siya maganda. It's just that na parang hindi siya fair. Okay? Ayan, 'di ba? So, ngayon, number 3, aside sa yun nga, may overpriced products, itong tinatawag na left and right pairing system. So mostly, especially dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ayan, may ganun. Okay? So binary. Ayan, shout out yan sa mga binarians, di ba? Yan, sa mga naka-experience ng ganun, no? Yan, left and right pairing wherein okay naman, may marami din kumita dyan, pero mostly talaga is nawawalan. Okay? Kasi nga, kailangan balansehin pa eh. Kailangan mo ng kapares, di ba? So, kung isa lang, kung nasa kabila lang, left lang or right, okay? Is hindi ka kikita. Right? Hindi ka kikita ng malaki, at hindi ka rin kikita ng maganda. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, number 4, may monthly maintenance sa tinatawag nating Unilevel. Okay? So, every single month, kahit bago ka pa lang, kailangan mong bumili ng products, kahit di mo pa kailangan, di mo pa right? And number 5, fifth pair incentive. Right? So, mostly, no, sa mga companies may mga ganun. Kumbaga, nagiging point siya, pwedeng pampalit sa mga gadget. Kung may income mo na, okay, naging points pa. Ayan. And on my experience, hindi fifth pair, okay, ginawang points. 20 pesos each. Di ba? So, ano yan kasi, safety net ng company. Right? So, ito yung magagawa kasi ganun talaga pag traditional. Right? And number 6, limit of encoding. Yan, ito yung pumipigil sa momentum eh. Right? Yung gustong lumipad ng, ng tao, ng leader, right? Dahil nga limitado, okay? Kasi nga may ano yan eh, kumbaga max encoding, right? Maximum encoding. So depende yan sa mga companies, may 5, 6 per cycle, alright? So bakit ganoon? Safety net din 'yon, alright? Kasi pag sumobra ka, ito yung number 7, flush out, right? So for example, yung kabila mo yung malakas, kabila hindi. So pipigilan mo yung kabila. Okay, let's say left yung malakas, right yung hindi. 'Di ba? Right yung 'di ba, sakto lang. So pipigilan mo pag pag sumobra, flush out. Kahit magkano pa yan yung waiting to be paired mo. Ayan, whether it be 10, 20 or 6 figures man yan, 7 figures, back to zero lahat ng yan. Ayan, makaka-relate yan yung mga naka-experience yung binary. Diba? Yung tipong, diba, mamotivate mo na lang yung team mo, leader mo, okay lang yan, kasi malakas ka. Pero deep inside, diba? So, low moral na. Diba? Kasi, back to zero, diba? Yung pinagpaguran mo for how many months, diba? Years pa nga eh. Diba? Wala. Back to zero. Zero na. As in zero talaga. Wala talaga. Okay? So, ganun po. Ayan. And number 8, unexplained deductions, miscellaneous fees, mga kung ano pang mga fees, no? Ayan. So, natin alam kung totoo ba talaga yan. And number 9, syempre, because of those reasons, high attrition talaga. Okay? So, marami ang mga humihinto. In fact, sabi nga tayo, 2.8 months or 3 months, yung mga bago, dahil nga, mga reason na yan, humihinto talaga. Okay? So, ganon pag traditional. And to tell you, obsolete na po yan. Alright? Kumbaga, sa cellphone pa, kaya yan po yung makaluma. Alright, ang mga keypad pa. Ayan. So, ngayon, may bago na po. Okay, new technology. Alright? Ayan, we're in. Okay, dito po. Okay? Ayan, specifically dito sa Live Good. Okay, number 1, wala tayong product package. Hindi ka dito bebentahan. Alright? Ayan, so you have the freedom. Bili ka kung ano, kailan mo gusto. Right? And of course, wala na tayong overpricing dito ng mga product, which is the best part. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so number 3, ayan, wala na rin tayong pairing system. Left and right, all right. 'Di ba? So, di ka na magwo-worry, di ka na magbabalanse. Okay? And number 4, monthly maintenance. Okay? Wala na tayong monthly maintenance sa Unilevel. Alright? Na kahit di mo pa gusto yung products, kaya bumili. Alright? So, wala tayong ganun, ha? Dito. And number 5, wala na ka na ring fifth pair incentive dito. Okay? Ayan, wala ka ng mga points pa. Ayan, so ano mo sa kita mo. Pure income po talaga. And number 6, of course, unlimited encoding. Mag-encode mag-encode ka sa ano kung ilan yung gusto mo. Okay, hanggat sa okay, kaya ng kamay mo. Ayan. Alright, so unlimited encoding, which yun yung best part. Nakita ko rin na, oh grabe. Okay, talagang momentum talaga. Lipad talaga yung mga lilipad dito. Okay, and of course, wag na rin ditong flash out. Di ka na magwo-worry na baka sumobra yung coding, ma-flash out ka, mawala yung commission mo. No worries na. Okay? And number 8, unexplained deduction. Wala na rin tayo niyan. Very transparent. Makikita nyo po yan doon sa system natin. Okay? So, naka-detailed po yan. Okay? Sa ating accounts. And number 9, kabaliktaran po. Okay? High stickability. Ayan. Wala na tayong meron pa naman, normal yan kahit saan namang company, pero mas marami nag-stay once naintindihan nila yung concept ng business. Alright? And aside from that, okay, here are the some of reasons why you should join this amazing company. Okay, actually, I have 10, yung 4 na sa last part, kaya kung gusto mong malaman, tapusin mo. So, dito 6 lang muna. Number 1, we have this amazing product. So, amazing talaga yung products kasi well studied from the selection of ingredients at the same time from the finished product. Okay, may mga test po tayo. Okay, we have proof to show. All right, later. Ayan. And number 2, incredible po yung ating prices. Right? Kasi syempre pag inisip natin US company, amazing products, quality, and of course tested, inisip natin mahal, tama. Pero magugulat ka later on, incredible po yung prices. And number 3, no auto shipping. So yun po yung ganina, no, di ka napipilitin dito bumili ng products every single month, okay, para lang ma-qualify sa rank or makuha yung commission. No, wala na tayong ganun, okay? And no monthly products to buy. And ito pa, number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, ano po yan sa products po natin? Within 90 days, okay, pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung products, pwede mo isauli yung lalagyan and no questions asked, ibabalik sa iyo yung pera mo. Yan, ganun kalupit, di ba? So, ito lang nakita kong 90 days. Itong company lang to. Okay? Kasi sa iba, 7 days, 30 days. Ayan, pero ito talaga extended 90 days. Tindi, no? Ayan, number 6, number 1, business to join, literally. Okay, kung naghahanap ka, kayo ng amazing company opportunity, ayan, sa mga nag-observe dito, well, tingnan nyo po ito. Okay? Hindi po kayo nagkamali ng pinapakinggan right now. Okay, so mas ipapaliwanag natin yan. Bakit number 1? Okay, actually pwede ako mag-research. Alright, and pwede kayo pumunta sa ito, Business for Home. Ayan. So ito po ang for home po, para po yan Forbes magazine ng multi-level marketing or direct selling. Okay, so nagkaroon po ng voting, okay, this year po. Ayan, so I think it was way back March. Top direct selling compensation plan this 2023. Right? So there are about 750 companies global ang na-nominate dyan. And to tell you, kabago-bago lang ni Live Good pero matindi. Nag-top 5 po si Live Good. Okay, so there must be something in the compensation plan. Bakit nag-top 5? Right? O, kumbaga, kasi tao nagboboto niyan eh. Okay, not just that. Right? Nagkaroon ulit ng voting. Right? Sa most trusted direct sales company this year. Alright? So, kung kanina top 5, ngayon top 2 naman. Yan, di ba? Sabi pa nga, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023. Okay? So, pinagkakatiwalaan. So, syempre, kung ikaw naghahanap ka, doon ka na sa maraming tao nagtitiwala. Di ba? Subok na, kumbaga. Alright? So, kung ngayon nag-top 2, ito matindi. Alright? So, this year lang din, actually last month lang, nag-top 1 na po si Live Good. Top direct selling company. Yan, di ba? Of 2024. Ayan, for next year. Ito, 800 company po na nominate dyan and matindi. Talagang grabe yung momentum. Nag-top 1 po tayo. Right? And actually, right now, meron pa pong ongoing so hindi ko na po na-update dito. So, you can check Business for Home. Alright? So, ganun po. Ganun tayo ka-transparent. Okay? So, ganun kaganda. So, kung bakit ganun yung record, yung track record ng company, kasi nga, kakaiba po talaga yung ginawa ng owners ng company ito. Right? Masabi kong, industry disruptor. Okay? And, first of its kind, kasi, kakaiba eh. Alright? Kumbaga, tinanggal niya yung mga pahirap, mostly yung mga pahirap sa mga traditional. Right? So, kung ano ito, syempre papaliwanag natin ngayon. So, ito muna tayo, mission. Ano bang mission ni Live Good? Simple lang, to help people get healthy, stay healthy, and wealthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Okay, so matulungan mga tao magpaka-healthy at maging wealthy din, syempre, kumita ng maganda na hindi ka gagastos ng pagkalaki-laki. Okay? Na hindi maubutas yung bulsa mo at hindi masasaktan yung wallet mo. Okay? Di ba? Simple lang pero yet very powerful. Alright? Ito naman po ang ating Live Good team. Okay? So, alam niyo po, nakaka-amaze po yung ating itong team na to kasi yan, starting from our CEO. Yan. Kumbaga, kung sasali ka lang naman sa isang company, dun ka na sa subok na. Dun ka na sa may experience talaga at alam niyang ginagawa niya. Okay? Kasi marami out there, nagtatayo lang for them na kumita. Diba? Yung makakuha ng pera tapos sasalan niya ang company, wala na, di ba? So, kawawa talaga yung iba, no? Pero ito, okay, genuine and alam niya yung ginagawa niya. And yung purpose talaga niyang pagtulong is makita mo. Okay? So, ito po, he has over 20 years. Okay? Ating CEO si Ben Glinsky, may 20 years to po of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Okay? Kasi, syempre, again, pag sasali ka, okay, dapat titingnan mo, okay, who are the people behind the company. Okay? So, ang ating CEO po, 20 years na. Ayan, sa industriya. In fact, sobrang dami na po natulungan. Okay, sabi pa nga niya sa previous video niya, close to $1 billion na po ang kanyang na payout na commission in his previous companies. Okay? Na pinatakbo niya. So, grabe no? Sobrang dami na talagang natulungan niya. And to tell you ito I'm proud to say, okay, you can check yan kahit sa Business for Home and sa previous video ng ating CEO. Alright, so bago lang to actually na-announce po niya, okay, sa first year po ng ating company, we are proud to say na umabot po ng $50 million ang na-payout na commission ng company. And that is 2.7 billion pesos. Wow, grabe. So that means na sobrang dami talagang kumita. Okay? 'Di ba? Sabi pa nga, numbers don't lie. All right. Sobrang dami talagang talaga natulungan. 'Di ba? So we are not playing around, okay? Hindi po ito biro. And yung ganong payout as in grabe talaga. First year unang pagtakbo ng ng negosyo. Okay? Grabe talaga, grabe. Breaking the records. No? And I believe mas hihigitan pa yan, baka mag times 2, times 5 yung mangyari in the next year, the following years. Kaya grabe talaga. Okay? Yan. So, siyempre, tied up din tayo. Ayan na dito ang ating mga co-founders din. Si Doc Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin. So, yan. Mag-asawa po yan sila. And sila po yung in charge sa ating mga products and the formulation. Okay? So, syempre, kung of the best. Okay? So, alam po nila yung ginagawa din nila. And in terms sa health, ayan, sila po mismo makikita nyo, okay, na ina-apply nila yung tinuturo nila. Kasi marami out there, na tuturuan tayo maging healthy, pero nakikita sa kanila, nako, mahirap. Di ba? Tagilid tayo. Okay? Pero ito sila, makikita mo talaga, di ba? They are living the lifestyle and, pagiging healthy. Okay? And sabi pa nating, ang ating, yan, si Ryan Goodkin, na I formulate products not to sell but for my family to use. Okay? So, ayan, siyempre, iniisip niya rin na as family talaga yung mga members dito. So, siyempre, hindi lang yan, yung background din, titingnan nyo, okay? Siyempre, imagine mo, doctorate in pharmacy, degree in science, may degree in science and nutrition, background of being both natural health practitioner and as well as pharmacist. Yeah, so matindi talaga. Okay? And pinag-isipan, well-tested yung mga products natin. And kasama niya pag-educate sa atin is si Lisa Goodkin. Okay, and ito naman ang ating Director Network Marketing, si Noder Kazan. So, siya po yung nagpabalik actually kasi magre-retire na ito yung CEO eh. Okay, so he's done with the industry. Okay, kasi nakita niya yung statistics and all those stuff. So, yan, si Noder, kasi alam niya yung alam niya yung capacity and yung vision ng taong to, ating CEO. Right, so siya po actually nagpabalik. Yan, kay Ben. So, buti na lang, na-push. Ayan, kaya ngayon, sobrang daming na bless globally. Okay, sa buong mundo. Okay, so siya po yung ating Director of Network Marketing. So, legend na po ito. And sobrang dami na rin natulungan sa industriya. Okay, kaya kung bakit gano'n na lang nangyayari sa company, almost close to 1 million members na tayo. Okay, and sobrang daming natulungan. It is because of these awesome people. Yeah, we're so blessed to have them. Okay, and ayan, we have over actually 18. And may mga paparating pa. Actually, yung isa pinakita na po. Okay, pero I think nire-retest pa ulit. Ayan, nire-retest. Redundant. Diba? So, yan, we have over 18 life-changing products and madadagdagan pa po yan. And of course, highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Okay, so pure, okay, and natural po yung mga ingredients natin dito. So, hindi po ito putyo-putyo lang, no? Porket na, of course, affordable siya, okay? Talagang pinag-isipan. Ayan, pinag-isipan po yung mga products natin dito. Hindi yung, diba, gawa-gawa, kinuha lang mga ingredients sa mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi. Okay? Hindi po yan. And, syempre, made in the USA. So, naman natin, pagka US-based company. So, quality pa sa quality. And, of course, approved by the GMP. So, hindi yan basta-basta. Pag GMP certified and lab tested for purity and potency. Okay? So, ito po yung ating mga new products. Alright? So, iba, hindi ko na po nalagay dito. Okay? Pero here are the samples. Ayan, we have CBD pain relief cream. Ayan, pag sumasakit yung kasukasuhan mo. So, I will not be having a demo of our products kasi meron tayong separate na product demo wherein ng ating product formulators po ang nagde-demo, nag-educate sa atin. Okay, pero to give an idea, ayan, yun po ang ating CBD pain relief cream and collagen peptides. Ayan, good for the hair, nails, ayan, and sa skin din natin. Okay, and may mga patented din tayo ng mga ingredients, no? Na may, of course, may kanya-kanilang benefits and like Velocitol, Polinol, and Flex. Ayan, so yan po, no? And ito naman po, energy and focus patches. Ayan, so patch po yan. Okay, syempre para yan, from the word energy and focus, kung aligaga ka na. Okay, and pag hirap ka matulog, yan, so ito naman, sleep patches. It's good for your, yan, para sa sleep mo. Okay, and ayan, ito naman po ang ating tinatawag na certificates of analysis. Alam niyo po, ito lang talaga yung company nakita ko na may ganito. Okay, meron naman siguro iba, pero nila, kumbaga, pina-private, okay? Hindi nila in-open for public. Pero dito, ganun tayo ka-confident with our products. Okay, each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory, Alternative Labs 4740S. Okay, so that means, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, na ang mga products po natin from the selection of ingredients, pati sa finished products, tinitest po ito. Kaya before pa ito i-mass produce, okay, masisigurado natin na of quality kasi tinest po talaga siya. Okay, so if you know mga nasa medical field, ayan yung mga I think mga yung pharmacist, all right, yung mga chemist, ayan, so I think alam nila basahin yan. Okay, so ayan, okay, pakita nyo lang po yan and open po yan in public. Okay, so you can visit our website www.livegood.com. Ayan, so nasa pinakababa po, ayan po, certificates of analysis. Pwede po yung i-download, ayan, naka-PDF file po yan. Okay, so matindi talaga. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, ang products din natin ay, ayan, GMP certified. Ayan. So, to give you an idea, yung GMP po, hindi lang po isang area tinitingnan na. Okay, maraming areas po yan like location, machinery, processing, sanitary maintenance, and personnel. Okay, and many more. Okay, so ibig sabihin, talagang stricto po. Okay? Hindi basta-basta. Not just that, we have this also this mga certifications like caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab-tested, 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and USDA organic. Okay? And sugar-free din. Okay? So that means na pag ikaw mismo gumamit ka ng mga products natin, of course, of high quality talaga yung tinitake mo. And syempre, magkakaroon ka na magandang effect sa health mo. Okay? So wala po tayong mga chemicals, mga insecticide, pesticide, or mga yeast, ayan, mga molds. Okay, wala po tayo niyan. So, of quality talaga yung makukuha mo mga products dito. Okay? And take note hindi tayo dito pipilitin magbenta or bumili. Bibili ka kung kailangan kung ano yung gusto mo. Ayan. So, freedom po talaga. Okay? Ayan. And ngayon naman, syempre we have wellness for all, 'di ba? So, syempre mission natin makatulong sa marami magpaka-healthy. 'Di ba? So, may iba pa tayong category like men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, energy, and many more. Okay? And in fact, we're so excited kasi in the next years, we'll be having over 200 plus products, okay? And soon din mga services, okay, na makatulong sa atin of high quality and of course affordable. Okay, kasi nga again, iba po ang konsepto nito kaya nagagawa po ng company na maging at cost po yung ating pricing ng ating mga products dito kasi club membership po ito. Okay? Yan, kahit ano pong industry, pwede po ilagay natin dito like yung solar panel, all right, yung mga cleaning products, right? And even yung mga ticketing sa airlines, sa mga bookings hotel, all right? So marami po pwedeng ilagay dito. Endless yung possibility kasi nga ibang concept po ng business po ito. Okay? So paano mag-order ng products? Okay? So dahil nag-order dito, pwede ka mag-order as consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices, and pag nag-member ka, you pay much lower prices. Okay? And ito naman po, sobrang na-appreciate ko guys. Okay? Kasi Live Good is available in over 200 plus countries. Yes, you heard it right. Okay? 200 plus countries. Grabe. Okay, that means na within 200 plus countries, matatanggap natin yung products once nag-order tayo, magagawa natin yung business, and at the same time, makakapag-payout po tayo. Okay? And matindi po talaga. Okay? Kasi, syempre, kung papapiliin ka, anong gusto mo? Pang local lang or global? O doon ka na sa global. Kasi, malaki yung malaki yung area mo para mag-expand Di ba? O, buong mundo na yan. Di ba? And the best part yan kasi hindi ka na mag-asikaso sa legalities. Okay? So, talaga, logistics system ready talaga siya. Okay, yun yung the best part, And I've heard nga, may ibang company, na nag-open sila ibang bansa, pero mostly, hindi sila makapag-provide ng legalities. Okay? Yan, yung member pa po yung pinapag-asikaso. Ako din naka-experience sa ganun. Hindi makapag-ship yung product kasi nga, kailangan legalities Pero dito, guys, literal 200 plus countries, kahit nasan ka man, basta okay yung lugar mo, pwede mag-ship dyan. So, matatanggap talaga yung products without any problem. Diba? Ganon kalupit. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon naman, pag nag-member ka, you save up to 75%. Okay? Not 75% off, but can save 75% compared to products in other companies. Okay? Ganito kasi yan. Okay? Short, kumbaga, analogy. And so, alam naman natin story ni David and Goliath, di ba? So, si David, pinatumba niya si Goliath with just one stone. Tama? Okay? So, ngayon, sino ba itong si Goliath? Siya po yung nag-represent as yung mga price gouging MLMs. Okay? And si David naman po, ito po si Live Good. Okay? So, ito pong si Goliath, siya po yung mga companies na, in short, mga gigantic, mga matatagal na mga companies na, nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki na presyo sa mga products. Okay? Price gouging nga. Right? So, actually, okay naman. Marami din naman kumita. Okay? Pero if you look at the statistics, according sa ating CEO, 95%. Okay? 95% make little or money. Pag ganun yung concept. And in 2.8 or 3 months, nag-stop humihinto po yung tao. Okay? Is because of that reason. kailangan po yan nila actually gawin. This is not to, badmouth other companies or bring them down, pero here's the reality. Actually, kailangan nilang gawin yon kasi bakit? Doon kasi kukunin yung pambayad sa mga empleyado. Yan. Of course, the commission ng mga distributor, top earners, ayan, and syempre, bayad sa mga country manager, yan, bayad sa billboard, marketing, ayan, sa system, okay? And of course, kita ng company owners and many more. Even sa events, doon yung kinukuha sa products. Okay? Which is, ayan, of course, may kumikita, pero ayan, marami talaga yung nawawalan. Okay? Ayan. At yun yung nakita ng ating CEO actually. Yun yung reason kung bakit magre-retire na sana siya. Okay? But nakita po ng ating Director of Network Marketing, si Noder. Okay? Na meron silang kitang concept, which is itong ginawa po dito sa Live Good. Right? Kaya sabi pa nga niya, no? The days of selling overpriced products so few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po ang maliligayang mga araw nila. Okay, na pagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki. Sabihin naman natin sa hindi, mostly talaga mahal yung mga products compared sa mga regular na high quality din. 'Di ba? So, ang tao ngayon nagiging wise na eh. They are more looking on affordability and value. Okay? So, ito po yung ginawa ni Live Good. In fact, ito sabihin ko na sa inyo ha, wala pong, may kinikita man si Live Good sa mga products pero katiting na lang. Unlike other companies na malaki. Di ba? Pero dito, wala eh. Di ba? Konti, meron pero konti lang talaga. Okay? Oh. So, yan. Here's the proof. Okay? Price comparison tayo. Gano ba kaganda ang pricing nyo? Yan, compared other companies. So, tingnan natin. Ito CBD oil. So, hot selling po ito sa US kasi maraming benefits yan. Okay? So, sa iba, binibenta to $80 to $90. 500 mg sa atin, 750 mg. Matindi, 14. Actually, di na 18 ha. Mas pinababa po ng company. 750 mg, 50% much stronger and at cost of 14.95. Yes, you heard it right. You can check out our website. Pag nag-member ka, 14.95 mo siyang mabibili. Diba? So, grabe. Talagang, makakaano ka talaga, malaking matitipid mo. Okay? Ayan. And, ayan, ito naman ang ating greens. Ayan. Sa iba, binibenta $70 to $100. Sa atin, magkano lang 18. Nakakanister pa. Di ba? Itong collagen. Sa iba, binibenta $70 to $80. Sa atin, $27.95 once na member ka. Okay? Sleep patches. Sa iba, binibenta $40 to $70. Sa atin, magkano? $14.95. Di ba? Di ba? Kaya no wonder marami din sa US talaga. Nakita nila yung concept na ganito. Marami talagang naglilipat. Okay, especially yung alam talaga nila na value in-offer ng company to. Hindi lang sa US kundi sa buong mundo, pati dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? Ayan, and matindi talaga. Even yung mga first world countries grabe talagang sumasali, 'di ba? Nakikita yung yung ino-offer ni Live Good. Okay, so as of now kasi actually na-announce po natin yung company top 1 ngayon yung South Korea. Grabe, talagang mayaman na yun pero grabe ginagawa pa rin nila to. Top 2 yung US and top 3 po tayo yung Pinas as of now. Okay? Ayan, so dati po nag-top 1 yung Pinas pero ngayon, okay? Pero I believe babalik din tayo sa top 1. Ayan, kaya kasi iba talaga. Ito pa lang 'di ba? Kumbaga sa boxing pa, tapos na yung laban. Okay? Ayan, no-brainer eh. Siyempre kung ikaw papapiliin, so doon ka na sa quality na affordable pa. Di ba? Okay, so ito naman, comparison natin, may members and retail price. Sa retail price, 7.95 and members price, 9.95. Yan, sa ating multivitamins po yan. Okay? So we have men's and women's po. Okay? Ayan, so grabe talaga 60 capsules, no? Mga around 500 plus, 570, 580 pesos. Grabe, no? Ano pa, itong organic coffee. Ayan, so pag retail, 28.95 and members price, 17.95. Okay? And of course, quality and hindi sasama yung sigmura mo. Okay? Ayan. And ang ating protein, okay, complete plant-based protein. Alright? Retail price $34 and members price $22. Okay, so grabe, very affordable. Okay? Ayan. Kasi sa iba, ito, mga around, ano to sa atin eh, mga around 1,314, ganun. Sa iba, binibenta yan, 2,500, 3,000. Ayan. Di ba sa atin, grabe. Okay? Kaya, switch talaga. So, ngayon, to tell you, may evolution po lahat ng negosyo. Okay? So, like, di ba, pag-access natin ng information, di ba, dati newspaper, eventually naging radio, TV, and gadget. Ngayon, gadget na, laptop, tablet, smartphone. Ayan, isang tap lang, andyan kagad yung information na hinanap natin, di ba? And yung pagbili din natin, di ba? Dati barter, market, supermarket. Eventually, ayan, online na. Yan, mga e-commerce, no? Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. Sa atin naman, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Okay? Kahit nasa bahay ka, natanggap mo yung order mo. Di ba? So, same with the concept of direct selling. Okay? So, yung old multi-level system, yung breakaway system, may nag-evolve into binary with multiple heads. Yan, parami ng accounts. Yan. So, left and right, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. And hybrid binary. Yan. And multi-level system. So, pinaghalo-halo. May unilevel, stair-step. Okay, pero for almost 100 years, ganun pa rin yung naging story. Price gouging. Okay? Wherein, dun pa rin kinuha yung commission sa products. Wherein, nagiging mahal talaga. Sobrang mahal ng products. Okay, tas i-hype tayo na hindi mahal to kasi quality. Pero totoo pala talaga, mahal siya kasi doon kinuha yung lahat ng commission and pampasweldo. Okay? So hindi po 'yung nabago. Ganun talaga. Pero right now nandito na po. Ayan, nandito na po si Live Good. Right? The affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Complete evolution po talaga siya. Okay? So yung iba pag hindi sila mag-adapt, pag ganun pa rin yung concept nila, so, sorry na lang. Okay, wala tayong magagawa. Sabi pa nga ni Asher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. And proven na po talaga yan. Okay, we have seen so many stories. We have heard and seen many stories, no? Na, talagang completely talaga nag-close and hindi na masyadong nakabawi. Okay? Or hindi naging kilala. Okay? O, example na lang yan, yung Nokia. Di ba? So, hindi sila masyadong nag-innovate. Ang nangyari, dumating si iPhone, dumating si Samsung, yan, na may touchscreen. Very known si Nokia dati. So, ang nangyari? Di ba? So, denominate, okay, yung smartphone space. Di ba? So, nasa Nokia. Andyan pa naman, pero hindi na masyadong well-known. Right? Yung yung Kodak, ayan, di ba? So, dati talagang kilala, no? Ayan, and mayroong isang empleyado na nag-propose. Alam ko yung story na yan na nag-propose na mag-digital camera daw. So ni-reject kasi okay pa naman, di pa naman kailangan ng tao. Okay, tapos ngayon in-offer yung yung idea niya kay guess who. Ayan, kay Sony. Yon, si Sony ngayon yung nag-pioneer sa digital cameras. Ang nangyari, denominate ni Sony yung market ng cameras, digital cameras. So what happened to Kodak? Ayun na, wala na. Okay, nag-evaporate. Okay? I don't know kung andyan pa. Okay? So what's the lesson? Okay? Nakita natin even pandemic, yung mga hindi nakapag-adapt online, completely closed talaga. Okay, pag hindi sila mag-adapt, hindi sila mag-evolve. Sorry na lang, 'di ba? Okay? So andito na po si Live Good. All right? The new era. All right, the new era of subscription or of of direct selling, okay? Ayan, which is yung concept natin dito is what we call subscription. Okay? So, yan, simple lang natin, no? Ano ba yung subscription na yan? Okay, why is it disrupting the industry? Okay, kasi nga simple na natin, no? This is a revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly kapalit ng products or services. Yan, customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Yan, so halimbawa nito ay naman natin lahat, halos lahat tayo may SIM card naman siguro, no? Yan, alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng SIM, SIM sa SIM card? Subscribers Identity Module. Wherein meron tayong unique number dyan, di ba? Tapos, pag napapaload tayo, dumating sa atin yung load. Kasi, kumbaga unique yan sa atin. Okay? So, yan, register natin sa mga combos and pag nag-expire, pwede tayong magpa-load ulit. Ang tawag sa atin, subscriber. Okay? And even yung mga internet, yan. Okay? May mga landline, okay? Ayan, like PLDT, ayan, Converge, okay? Ayan, or Globe, okay? Ayan, nag-ano tayo, di ba, nagbabayad tayo monthly. Ayan, in exchange sa services na ino-offer nila. Alright? And even yung, kuryente, tubig, di ba? So, nagbabayad din tayo monthly. Okay? Ayan, yung cable sa TV, di ba? Ayan, and many more. Okay? Ang tawag doon, again, is subscription. Alright? So, bakit importante to? Kasi na-enjoy natin yung benefits na ino-offer nila. And it also increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Kasi nga, na-enjoy natin yung benefits, di ba? So, sino ba dito gusto mawal ng kuryente, ng tubig, ng internet, di ba? Lalo na sa panahon natin yun. So, sobrang, parang naging necessity na rin siya. Di ba? So, maraming tao mag-stay. Okay? Maraming tao talaga yung, mag-stay kasi nga, value yung ino-offer. Alright? And an advantage ito, it lowered the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your product. Kasi nga, okay, hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan yung products or services and bumabawi sa subscription. Kaya marami talaga yung mga mag-i-stay. Okay? Ayan. And ito po yung mga popular na mga membership like Amazon Prime. Yan, pag gusto mong, marami benefits din yan pag nag-member ka, no? Free shipping, yung may Prime Video din. Ayan. Okay? So, hundreds of millions na po yung members nila. Itong Netflix, no? So gusto mong manood ng maraming movies. Ayan. So ayan, 200 plus million members na. Grabe, no? Sam's Club, ayan. So millions of members na rin. Costco, so kung gusto mong makatipid, ayan. Kung gusto mong of course quality and may discount na mga products, so yan, pwede mo pa member dyan monthly or yearly. Disney Plus, ayan, pag gusto mong makapanood ng mga Disney movies. Ayan, so around, millions of members na po. Okay? So, ganun kalaki yung market, di ba? Okay? And, yan po, ano pa? Ayan, ito po yung mga streaming services, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, ito po Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, Viu, and many more. And membership sa gym. Okay? Siyempre, pag gusto mo maging fit or so manage yung weight mo or, di ba? Maging healthy din. So, pag gusto mo mag-gym, yan, nababayad din monthly, di ba? Ano pa itong mga life plans and mga insurance. Ayan, pag syempre gusto mong ma-secure na, 'di ba? Na anything happens, ayan, o may matsugi or may mangyari, ayan, so 'di ba, nagbabayad din 'yan monthly. O 'di ba? So 'yun pa yung mga samples. All right? So to tell you, yung mga sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, hindi ka pa babayaran nun pag nag-member ka lang. Okay? Ayan. And we are proud to say na pag naging part ka dito sa Live Good, bibigyan ka po ng share. Ayun, di ba? Ayan, so, ngayon, ito po naman ang, kumbaga, laki ng, ng market, okay? Laki ng market ng subscription industry. Okay? And to tell you, itong Netflix, no, magkano yung binabayaran? 300 or even 500 pesos per month, no? Di nyo ba alam na around last year lang, no, 2022, around 31.6 billion US dollar po yung kinita ni Netflix. So, i-compute mo po yan yung monthly nila na, members na 200 plus million. Billion po talaga yung kinikita ng company na yan. Hindi feel ng mga subscriber, pero, di ba? Kung i-compute mo, ay ang laki, grabe. Pero wala namang binabalik sa mga subscriber. Okay? Wala bang kita. Okay? Mayroong benefits pero walang kita. Okay? Itong Zoom, di mapapansin nyo yung trend niya, no? 2018 to last year. Palaki ng palaki. Kasi maraming nag-stay, maraming nagsusubscribe. Okay? Amazon Prime. Right? 200 plus million members. Grabe. Yung subscription fees pa lang, okay, yung kumbaga, pag-renew ng kanilang subscription monthly or yearly, ang kinikita na ni Amazon is 25.21 billion. We are speaking of billion dollars. Grabe, ang yaman talaga. Di ba? Tapos monthly, mayroon pa yun. Siyempre, monthly nagbabayad kaya. Matindi, ang laki ng industry na to. And itong Costco, yan, pag siyempre, sa US, uso to sa US eh. Pag gusto na magkaroon ng discount, ayan, so, papamember sila dyan sa Costco. Makikita nyo yung trend, di ba? Pataas ng pataas, palaki ng palaki. Okay, and again, to tell you, Pag nang-member ka dyan, wala kang kinikita. Pero grabe, sobrang yung mayaman na ng mga companies na to. Okay? And ito po yung nakita ng ating CEO. So why not i-incorporate natin itong subscription or wholesale club membership sa industry? 'Di ba? Mag-offer tayo ng value at affordability. Okay? Kasi hindi pa talaga nagawa yung ganitong concept eh. And finally, dumating itong ating owner. Ayan, lumabas siya sa kanyang retirement. Okay? And ito na po, nagawa po itong si Live Good. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, ang tanong, okay, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayan. Highlight ko, or more. Ayan, kasi sa natin mas malaki. Ayan. Oh, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, nandito na po tayo sa exciting part. Okay? So, now, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Kasi, first time po talaga, grabe. Okay? Grabe po talaga. Kaya, tune in ka lang. Okay? So, paano maging affiliate member? Register with your sponsors link. So, later on, pag decided ka na makapag-start, balikan mo yung nag-invite sa'yo, mag-register ka sa link niya. And magbabayad ka lang po ng $49.95 or around less than 3,000 lang yan. Mga 2,850 to 2,9. Ayan, 2,925. Okay, so sa first month nyo po yan. Okay, pero in the following month, since this is a subscription, so ang babayaran na lang po natin is 9.95 or around 580 yan pesos. Okay? So yun lang po yung maintain natin. But if I were you, kung gusto mo makatipid, pwede ka mag yearly or annual. Magkano naman pag mag-annual? So mga around 8,190 pesos. Okay? So the best part doon kasi instead na whole year mo siyang babayaran, 10 months lang. Okay, so parang nakatipid ka ng 2 months. Okay, so at least less stress ka na and syempre, start earning na rin once na ginawa mo na yung itong si Live Good. Okay, so ngayon, ano bang makukuha mo sa 49.95? Okay, may access po tayo sa membership club. Okay, so yan, sa mga nagtatanong kung may physical products ba? Wala. Kasi nga, wholesale club membership po ito. Yung products dito, hiwalay. Bibilhin ba lang po natin? Okay? So, access po natin sa ating membership club. So, lahat ng mga products natin, soon, mga services, yan, pwede po natin ma-access online. Yan, digital marketing products. Okay, pwede ka mag-order anytime, anywhere. Okay? So, you can also participate in the compensation plan. Alright? So, ayan, which is exciting. Ayan, so ngayon, syempre, ano pa ibang makukuha mo? So, we also have websites like this one, retail site. So, ano na tayo, e-commerce and dropshipping ready na. Ito matindi, 200 plus countries. Literal. Okay? So, may website po tayo niyan. Okay? Ang gagawin lang po natin is, of course, i-share. Okay? Pag nag-order sila, company na bahala mag-ship, mangolekta ng bayad. Ikaw, tagatanggap na lang ng commission. Okay? So, yan. Nandyan na po lahat ng information na needed ng ating mga customers or clients. Okay? Pag once na mag-o-order sila. Okay? So, ito naman, Powerline landing page. Okay? So, pag gusto na natin mag-member, okay? So, dyan po tayo mag-fill up. And lahat po tayo, pag nag-member, meron po yan. Okay? And corporate site about sa companies natin. And hindi lang yan. Hindi lang yun yung website na makuha natin. Meron tayong additional 2 websites. Ayan, itong Super Greens and Super Reds na landing pages. Ayan, so we're in, ayan, nandyan po yung product explanation ng ating Super Greens and Super Reds. And once na nagustuhan ng ating customer, ayan, mag-order sila sa baba. Okay, so matindi, no? So value talaga. No, ito pa lang, panalo ka na. May website ka, sobrang panalo mo na talaga. Okay, and the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and forced matrix. Ayan. So, dalawang po yung ating kitaan dito. Okay, unilevel and forced matrix. So, paano ba yan? Okay, so we have 7 ways to earn. Okay, so isa-isahin natin, no? Ayan, meron tayo dito. Ayan, weekly fast start, and radial commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. And sa kabila naman, meron tayong matrix commissions. And mapapansin nyo sa gitna, matching kasi hybrid po sila. Nagsama dalawa. Okay, so para di ka malito, isa-isahin natin ngayon. Okay, so number 1, we have weekly fast start. So fast start, in layman's term, direct referral. Okay? So, weekly siya. The word weekly. So, weekly po natin nakukuha. So, simple lang, no? Every time na mayroon kang mapapasali, marirefer, mapapajoin sa program natin dito sa Live Good, pag nagbayad sila ng kanilang membership fee na $14.95, may $25 ka. Yan, around 1,400. Matindi, di ba? Kalahati. Diba? Kalahati ng nila member. O, di ba? Matindi, no? Yan po yung weekly fast start. Okay? So, the best part ito, kasi infinite wide, ibig sabihin, unlimited. Okay? So, pwede kang mag-refer, magpa-join dito as many people as you can, as you want. Okay? And up to 10 levels deep, kasi meron tayo tinatawag na rank up. So, pag nagra-rank up ka, ayan, up to 10 levels. Alright? And like itong, ayan, level 1, $25, level 2, 3, hanggang level 10, $50. Okay? So, ngayon, ito, bigyan ko kayo ng sample computation. Okay? And to tell you ngayon pa lang, this part alone can easily beat other Complan design. Yan. So, ito ay power of 5. Okay, so sa ganda ng opportunity natin, kaya naman siguro natin mag-refer ng at least 5. Okay, wala tong time frame. Pwedeng 1, 2, 3, 3 months, 5 months, or even 1 year, 2 years, ikaw. Okay? So, sabi natin 5. Okay, at least 5. Right? So, kuha ng 5, tapos yung 5 mo, kuha ng 5. Right? So, mag-share ka lang. Okay? Dadalhin mo lang dito sa presentation. Okay? And to tell you, tingnan mo naman po sa level 1. Ang kikitain mo, possible, o nakapag-refer ka, $125. Pag nag-refer din sila, $125 din. And level 3, $312.5. And nagmo-multiply. Up to level 10, ayan. Tapos i-compute mo yan sa lahat ng yan, ang pwede mong kitain total is $6.1 million. Okay? Yan, grabe, $6.1 million. Hindi lang po yan 7, hindi lang 8 figures sa peso, that is 9 figures. So, grabe. Yan po yung potential. As in, matindi. Pag ikaw talaga dito, hindi ka nakatunganga lang, okay, talagang trabahuin mo, ano ka talaga, buhay na buhay. Every week, okay, panalo ka. Di ba? Imagine mo, yan yung pwedeng kitain. Okay, pero syempre, marami din sa atin na mas marami pang kakilala. Di ba? O, syempre, power of 30. Gabi natin. O, level 1, 30. Yan, $750 kikitain mo. Up to level 4. Hindi na natin kinutin niya. Baka ma-overwhelm pa tayo, no? Ayan, so, ngayon, ang total kikitain mo dyan, pag up to level 4 lang, power of 30, ha? Yan, pwedeng 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years ikompleto mo. Depende sa'yo. Okay? So, total kikitain mo is $2M. Okay? That is 9 figures pa rin. 119 million pesos. Wow. Grabe, no? Di ka ba nalulula? Di ba? Kaya, kung naghahanap ka talaga ng opportunity right now, baka ito na yun. Okay? Kung, kung may pangarap ka, siya kang taong may pangarap, kagaya ko, okay, and naghahanap ng opportunity, baka ito na yun. Okay? Yan, ito pa lang, pag masipag ka, di ba? Kung sinisipagan mo dyan sa ginagawa mo, sipagan mo rin dito. Ito, bayad na bayad ka, sobra pa. Matindi, no? So, paano ba mag-rank up? Simple lang. Okay? Ayan, pag mag-bronze, refer ka lang ng 2 tao. So, yan, benefits mo at up to 2 levels ka na. $25, $5, ayan. And pag nag-silver ka naman, yan po, no? Benefits mo up to 4th level. Okay? And dito, wala pong back to zero, ha? To tell you. Wala pong back to zero. Ibig sabihin, kung napag-refer ka kanina 2, dito, kumbaga, kailangan mo lang 18. Yan, para, kasi total dito 20, di ba? So, 20, 18 na lang para mag-silver. Or di kaya, 10 directs plus team of 20. Or di kaya, 3 of your directs na nag-bronze plus team of 20. Okay? Yan, pag-silver. And pag gold naman, up to 6 levels. So, yan po yung corresponding na pwedeng kitain mo, each level. No? 100. Ayan. So, yan. Dito naman, number 2 is, tatlong nag-silver plus team of 100 or 4 of your directs, may tig to 30 na total team. Yan, yung isa 10. So, team of 100. Yan. So, gold ka na. Right? And pag mag-platinum naman, up to 8 levels. Right? At least 100 directs plus team of 500 or 3 of your directs na nag-gold plus team of 500 or 4 of your directs na may tigo 150 yung tatlo, yung isa 50, team of 500, ayan, platinum ka na. Okay? Diamond, up to 10 levels. So, pag nag-diamond naman, at least tatlong platinum plus team of 2-5 or 5 over the rest, may team of 500. So, around 2-5 lahat. So, yan, diamond rank ka na. Okay? And pag nag-crown diamond naman, at least up to 10,000 per leg. Okay? Min of 10,000. So, 50,000 lahat. So, yun, crown diamond ka na. Okay? And dito naman po, no, 2x15 matrix, ito monthly. So, bakit 2x15? Kasi, multiple of 2 ka lang po. Okay? So, ikaw po yung nasa taas, right? So, times 2 ka lang, ikaw 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 to 56. Up to 15th level, kaya 2x15. Okay? So, ngayon, itong matrix commission naman, paano to na-earn? Di ba, meron tayong, di ba, positioning. Okay? So, ngayon, pagka nalagyan ka ng tao sa baba mo, invite mo man or hindi, and nagsusubscribe na sila. Siyempre, magsusubscribe ka rin, tama? Okay? Pag nagsusubscribe na tayo lahat, pati under sa atin, meron ka pong, ayan, 0.25 cents kada tao. O, di ba? So, titignan mo, ang liit naman. Pero wag ka. Okay, ito, bigyan kita. Okay, how does the matrix feels? Okay, so, ganito kasi yan. Yan po yung, ito na makikita nyo level. Yan yung people, tapos itong earnings. Okay? So, ngayon, pag wala kang mga tao, ayan, yung mga tao sa, yung nasa taas mo, yung mga nagre-refer. Okay? Pag meron silang na-invite, yan, lalagay yan po, yan, sa left mo, lahat, tapos right. Okay? So, left muna, tapos right. Tapos, same din sa baba nila. Okay? So, left din lahat muna, tapos right. Yan, left, right, left, right. Okay? Up, yan. Pababa po yan. Okay? And, yan po yung yan po yung paano mapuno yung natin, yung matrix. Ito po yung corresponding na income. So, ganito kasi yan. Okay? Pag napuno yung mo, yung up to 12 levels mo, okay, that is 8,190 people, ang pwede mong kitain is $2,047.50. Okay? Ayan. So, ano po yan? Unrank. Okay? That means na isa or wala ka pang na-refer. Yan po yung possible na pwedeng kitain. Na dito, ayun yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? Without enrolling. So, pwede. Okay? Pero, huwag kang mag-expect na mabilis. Mabagal. It may take some time. Okay? Kaya dito, talo mainipin. Okay? So, huwag maiinip. Okay? Kung lang, nag-abang. Di ba? Ayan. Kasi, to hindi naman to Ponzi scheme eh. Okay? Also, legit business po ito. Yan, hindi po ito yung, di ba, 100,000 kagad in your second month. Okay? Hindi po. Alright? So, pag ka naman, pag nag-rank up ka, dumudoble po siya. Yan, nag 4,000, gold platinum 8,000, diamond 16,000. You get my point? Okay, so, ayan po. Yan po yung yan po yung mangyayari. Okay? Pagka may mga tao na sa under mo, tapos nagsusubscribe na sila, yan po yung maximum. Maximum po yan. So, ngayon, ang tanong, worth it ba siya sa mga naghintay lang? Okay? I'm not encouraging na, wala kang gawin. Okay? Or maghintay ka lang. Okay? Pero, para alagaan mo yung subscription mo, yun yung gagawin natin. Kaya may gagawin tayo dito, ha? Okay? Yan. So, para alagaan mo, papakita ko sa iyo. So, yan po yung total levels, 12, and total people, yan, sa 12 levels na yun, 8,190. So, minimum kikita mo dyan, $0.50 to $8 per month. Okay? So, hindi pa yan enough para makabayad ng subscription mo. Okay? Huwag kang mainip. Huwag kang mainip. Tuloy ka lang. Mag-subscribe ka rin. So, pag umapaw na po yan, 5 to 12 level, ang minimum kikitain mo, $16. Maximum of $2,047.50 per month. Yes, per month na po yan. And enough na po yan para bayaran ang $9.85 mo na subscription. Okay, so bigyan kayo ng sample, no? Sabi natin 1 year. 1 year siya na puno, ha? 8,190 ka tao. 1 year na puno. Yung ginastos mo dyan is 6,000 pesos. 6,000 plus. Year, doon ka pa kumita ng 113,000 every single month. Ang tanong, sulit ba? Yes, sulit. Bakit? Tingnan mo na magkano ginastos mo pero binalik sa'yo. 'Di ba? Ay, sobra pa sa doble, 'di ba? Sabi natin 3 years. Gastos mo sa 3 years 20,000 plus. After 3 years doon ka pa nag 113,000. Ang tanong, sulit ba? Of course, sulit pa rin 'yan. 'Di ba? Oh, ano pa? Ayan, ito po. Sabihin natin 5 years. Okay? 5 years, ang ginastos mo is 33,000. Okay? So, after 5 years, doon ka pa kumita ng 113,000 every month. Ang tanong ulit, sulit ba? Of course. At kahit guys, kahit pa mag-compute ka 10 to 12 years, magkano ginagastos mo niyan? 60,000? 70? Oh. Tapos after niyan, nag-113 ka na, sulit ba? Of course. 'Di ba? Pero sasabihin ko sa iyo, yung 6,000, 20, 33,000, hindi na po ikaw yung ano niyan, nagpapalabas ng pera. Saan yung kinukuha? Ditong 5 to 12 level. Okay? Bakit hindi naman hihintayin ng system na punuin mo na yan bago ka bayaran eh? Kahit may isa dyan, 2, 10, 50, o 100, 1,000 dyan. Basta may tao dyan nagsusubscribe under you, babayaran ka po. Ganon kalupit. Di ba? O parang nangyari sa iyo, pensyonado. O di ba? Malupit, no? So, pero itong catch, bakit din-encourage namin mag-refer kaysa maghintay na lang? Ganito kasi yan. Pag nag-refer ka, weekly kikitain mo yan. Tig to $25 each person. Okay? Whereas, pag maghintay ka lang, spill over, monthly ito binibigay, $25 din. Ilang tao kailangan? 100. Oh. So, dito, huwag ka mainip. Kung maghintay ka lang, huwag mainip. Kailangan mo ng 100 people eh. Pero if I were you, para hindi ka na mainip, mag-share ka na lang. Share ka. Okay? Wala namang mawawala sa iyo eh. O dati ka nang di ba? Kung dati nang wala, di ba? So, share ka lang, okay? Ang ano lang natin dito is to share and to send the link, di ba? Pa-joinin mo lang sa Zoom. Okay? Ito naman, to referrals. Kikita ka ng $50, okay, weekly. And, ilan yung before kitain yung isa nag-refer, kailangan mo ng $50. Matindi, di ba? Kaya mas maganda, hindi ka na mainip, mag-refer ka na lang. Okay? Ayan. So, pero itong exciting part, above all, ito talaga may pinakamalaking kitaan, which is the matching. Kung bakit gusto mo mag-refer, magpasali, kasi may matching. Hindi ito yung pairing left and right, matching. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ito ay monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Okay? Ito sample. Si Pedro, na-refer mo, kumita $1,000 sa matrix niya. May 500. Si Juan, kumita $500, may 250 ka. Si Maria, kumita $100, may 50 ka. Si Marites, instead na kapitbahay, chichismis, ito na lang, di ba? Okay, kumita siya ng 200, may 100 ka kasi ikaw nag-refer lahat niyan. Ito matindi. Infinite wide, ibig sabihin, unlimited. Di ba? Malupit. And yung matching bonus natin po ay may generation. Okay, like, ito, may sa'yo, rank up under sa team mo. May direct ka. Ayan, sabihin natin nag-diamond ka, may mga direct ka. Okay? So, hindi ka lang 50%. 10, 5, 5, 3. Okay? Ganon. So, ito po yung sample, no? Ayan. So, pag nag-sponsor ka, at least 10. Okay? Tapos, kumita sa matrix ng 100. So, may matching ka $50. Total kikitain mo 10 is $500. Okay? Tapos, yan, yung 10, nag-multiply din. Okay, times 10. Okay? Yan. So, matrix income, $100. So, tig $10. So, 1,000 total income. So, ngayon, pag nag-diamond ka, total mo yan lahat. Right? $39,000. Imagine nyo, power of 10. Okay? Ganon kalupit. Okay, so, ngayon, why do we encourage na ipa-join nyo yung, at least yung 2 of your family member? Okay, kasi pag na-enroll kayo, okay, so maximum kikitain nyo sa matrix sa bronze. Yan. So sabihin natin na-enroll mo yung 2 family member mo, pwedeng 2 magulang mo or 2 anak mo, okay? Or asawa, anak, okay? So pag napuno yung matrix nyo, 4,095.50 pwedeng kitain sa bronze. So yung 2 family member mo, kikitain nila is 2,047.50 sa matrix. Okay? So dahil may matching ka sa kanila, yung 2, 2,047.50 maximum pwedeng kitain. So, all in all, darating yung time, pag napuno yung matrix natin, napuno matrix nyo, kikitain mo is $10,230 or $500,000 every single month. That is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Matindi, no? Okay, pero if I were you, ano ka na, share sa iba din. Okay, so 20 direct referral. Yan. So, ngayon, yung 20 na direct referral na yon, ang kikitain nila, pag napuno yung matrix nila is 2,047.50. Okay? So, ngayon, mayroon kang matching. Okay, may matching ka sa kanila, sa 20 na yan. Okay, kasi yung 20 na yan, sabihin natin busy or happy subscriber. Okay? So, may kalahati ka, 1,023.75. So, ngayon, all in all, kikitain mo dyan is 20,455 or 1.1 million pesos every single month after month after month after month. Matindi, no? Okay, imagine nyo, ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa iyo. Even single, simpleng nanay, pwedeng gawin to eh. Oh, ganun yung future naghihintay. Okay? So ngayon, ito naman, sabihin natin 30 directs, okay? Yan, 30 directs, 6,000 earnings per month sa bronze. May kalahati ka 3,000. So sample lang yan. So all in all, kikita mo is 5 million pesos. Every single month na po yan. Yan. Pero ito po yung vision. Okay, vision natin 100 solid direct. That means na okay, sa 100 na yun, pag na po yung matrix nila, $16,183.50 yung earnings per month. Okay? And may matching ka since direct mo sila. Right? 8,191.75. So 100 times 8,000 plus, right? 819,175 or 45 million pesos month after month after month after month after month. Okay? Malupit. Di ba? Malupit talaga. Imagine mo kahit 5 million pa nagagastos mo. O di pa ubos ang 40 million, may 40 million na naman. Di pa naubos ang 40 million, may 45 million na naman. Di ba? So ito pa lang, no, sobrang dami din natin matutulungan. Di ba? Mga orphanage, mga home for the aged, ayan, yung mga charity, okay? And ayan, kung ano yung naisip mo sa church nyo, sa family mo, okay? Or kung saan man, di ba? Ang dami talagang matutulungan. Okay? And yan po yung vision. Yan po yung pwedeng pakitain natin dito. Okay? So, gaano ba katotoo? Yan na may maraming nakapag-enroll. Ayan o. Okay, ito 1,000 plus na yung directs. Okay? Ayan. O, si Coach Fernandez, mag-close 500 plus na yata. Okay? Diba? Grabe, no? O, first year pa lang. Ayan, first year pa lang. So, marami pa po yan. Okay, so ito naman po, retail commission. Okay, 10 levels deep. So, itong retail commission po, 50% bonus the difference between members price and the retail price. For example, may, may tubo na, sabihin natin, $6 yung product. Okay, so mangyari, pag nakabenta ka, okay, maghahati lang. Okay, so 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. So, ganun lang yung retail. Okay, infinite wide, unlimited yung pwedeng pagsendan natin, and 10 levels deep. Okay, 10 levels deep. Kung nag-rank up ka, okay, so parang na din fast start. Right? And influencer bonuses. Ayan, ito naman pagka ma-influence ka or mahilig ka sa TikTok, ayan, or even Facebook, no? Pag nakabenta ka, sabihin natin nakuha mo yung sales na quota na $50,000. So may commission 50%. So, ayan. Ang mangyayari is, ayan, 100%. Ayan, total commissions on personal customers, 100%. Okay? So, that means na, di ba kanina sabi ko sa inyo na yung product, sabihin natin, $6 yung patong sa atin. Okay? So, instead na 3-3, pwedeng yung $6 ibigay mismo sa iyo kasi nahit mo yung quota. Okay? O, yan. So, ito naman po, Diamond Bonus Pool, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all Diamond. Okay? O, matindi, di ba? Ayan, matindi talaga. Okay, so 2%. So right now, I think 80 plus na po yung ating diamonds right now. And ito naman po, Crown Diamond. Kanina 2%, ngayon 0.5. Total sales from all membership. So imagine na lang, 10 million. Sabihin 10 million. Tapos, ilan yung 0.5%? Okay, I think $50. Okay? O, $50,000. Maghahati ang dalawang Crown Diamond. Dalawa pa lang kasi Crown Diamond eh. Yan, one from US, isa sa Pilipinas, si Coach Fernan. Okay? Oh, ganun kalupit, 'di ba? May diamond, may crown diamond ka na, mayroon ka pang diamond. Okay, so ito po yung proof, may mga kumikita and ayan, tayo din, no? Ngayon pa paano, ayan, maganda na rin yung ano natin dito na nakuha ang result and kita. Okay, so iba pa yung background nila pero yan po yung future. Pag once na ginawa nyo po rin itong si Live Good. Okay? So, and right now, nasa 950,000 na po tayo in span of 1 year. Grabe. So, breaking the records, guys. Di ba? Kasi ito, isang company, 267,000 in 30 years. 30 years. Grabe, no? Oh, sa atin, my goodness. Kaya, guys, ito, subscribers. Okay? So, yung pinaka-bold talaga sa sa ISIS. Ayan. 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. Grabe, no? And yung projection natin, 1 million subscribers in December, ayan, 2023. Okay, so I think first week ng January, hopefully. Okay, so ma-hit yung ating first 1 million. Okay, so here's the point, guys, no? At sa ating mga viewers, sa ating mga bago dito, okay? So, take advantage nyo, okay? Ito, kasi if you're looking for an opportunity, baka ito na yun. Kasi matindi talaga eh. Industry disruptor talaga. Okay? So, yung sa akin lang, decide. Alright, decide ka. Okay? Kasi, sayang. Sayang pag hindi mo na-take advantage yung, opportunity. Okay? Kasi, approaching pa na tayo to 1M eh. Okay? And marami po yung mangyayari by, in the future, lalo na sa, of course, in company, maraming plan. And, marami na nagbe-member. Okay? Wag mo na hintayin niyo yung buong pamilya mo, member na. Ikaw hindi pa. Okay? Kasi naniwala ko, this plane of opportunity will surely fly. Okay? Para tong bullet train. Diba? Yung bullet train na sing bilis. Diba? Na bubukas yung yung pintuan, tapos pwede ka pumasok, sasara, tapos mabilis na aandar. Okay? So ito same din. Pag hindi mo tayo take advantage, naku, aandar to. Whether or not gusto mo, aandar talaga to. Lilipad talaga to. Ang tanong, sasabay ka ba? Okay? The future, dalawa pwede mong sabihin eh. Buti na lang ang sayang. Yeah, buti na lang. Naniwala ko. Kasi magkano lang eh. You have nothing to lose kung wala ka din naman. Di ba? O ano mo mawala sa'yo kung wala ka na? Di ba? O, so, you have to try. Kasi magkano lang naman. Hindi mo naman siguro yan ikakahirap. Yung 2,900, 2,950. Hindi kakahirap yan. Di ba? Baka yan pa makatulong sa'yo. Yan pa yung magpasenso sa'yo in next year, 2024. Okay? So, decide. Okay, decide ka. Alright? And, ayun nga, hopefully na, syempre, nakatulong dito ang presentation. Okay? Na, syempre, in the near future, syempre, maging part ka dito, magkaroon ka rin ng breakthrough mo. Okay? So, yan. If you join, we welcome you. But if you don't want if you don't want to, we're still friends. Okay? Ayan. So, friends pa rin tayo. Pero, yan nga, pag na-miss mo to, sayang. Okay? Yung manghihinayang ka sa totoo lang. 'Di ba? Makikita mo marami dito nakakaresulta, kumikita ng maganda, tapos ikaw wala pa rin, 'di ba? Okay? Kaya sabayan mo na. Okay, sabayan mo na. Okay? So, yan no. So, here are the top 4 remaining reasons why Live Good. So, number 1, which is officially launched globally. So, nasa pillar stage pa lang tayo. First 2 years, very crucial. Okay? Kaya sabayan mo. Okay? And number 2, highest quality and very affordable health products. Yan, okay? Number 4, yan, marketing system, tools, and trainings. So, halos lahat provided na sa atin, the links, the website, presentations, the trainings, no, support system to the team, the coaches natin, mga upline. So, provided na po. Ikaw na lang yung kulang. Okay? Ayan. So, yan, at number 4, simple, and, but yet powerful and lucrative pay plan. Okay, so simple lang. Okay, simple lang pero grabe talaga. Very generous sa totoo lang. Very generous ng company. Okay? So, yun. Hopefully na maging part ka dito. And ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? If I were you, maging A ka na, affiliate member. Okay? So, para wala kang masayang na oras. Okay? And get back with the person that invited you. Let them know if you're an A, B, or C. Okay? And ayan, announcement. Okay? So, di pa tapos. May ilang araw pa tayo. The Million Member Movement. So, pag nag-join ka and may pa-join ka, meron kang chance na manalo ng 10,000 or $50,000 cash. Okay? Kasi i-draw pa ito sa by this January 5. Okay? If I'm not mistaken. Okay? So, pag nag-enroll ka ng isa, meron kang $10,000 na chance manalo. Para dalawa pataas, dito ka sa 50,000. Oh, di ba? Okay? Matindi talaga. Kaya, i-take advantage nyo. Okay? Take advantage nyo. Okay? Para sa ganun, syempre, baka malay natin kung manalo, di ba? Okay? So, thank you again. Get back with the person that invited you. And, I leave you with this one verse. Maya 29:11. For you know the plans for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. So, sa akin lang, kung naghanap pa talaga ng opportunity right now, si Lord hindi yan bababa eh. Gagamit siya ng tao. Okay? Hindi natin alam. Baka yung nag-invite sa'yo, siya yung ginamit ni Lord na i-answer yung prayer mo for an opportunity like this one na sobrang ganda, sobrang amazing. Okay? Baka ito na guys, ito na yung hinihintay, pinagpe-pray mo. So take action. Sabi pa nga, faith without work is dead. Kung may paniniwala ka pero di ka mag-take action, wala, useless pa rin. Okay? So looking forward na maging part ka dito, maging member ka na, okay? Maging kasama ka namin dito sa family of Live Good. Okay? And syempre magkaroon ka ng breakthrough by 2024. Alright, so with that, hopefully, nakatulong ako sa inyo, especially sa mga first-timers na makapag-decide na gawin to kung inaaral mo pa.